The tomato, Solanum lycopersicum, is a fruit from the nightshade family native to South America. Despite botanically being a fruit, it's generally eaten and prepared like a vegetable. Tomatoes are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. They are also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Usually, red when mature, tomatoes can also come in a variety of colors, including yellow, orange, green, and purple. What's more, many subspecies of tomatoes exist with different shapes and flavor. The water content of tomatoes is around 95%. The other 5% consists mainly of carbohydrates and fiber. Fresh tomatoes are low in carbs. The carb content consists mainly of simple sugars and insoluble fibers. These fruits are mostly made up of water. Tomatoes are a good source of several vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, potassium, vitamin K, and folate. Lycopene is one of the most abundant plant compounds in tomatoes. It's found in the highest concentrations in tomato products, such as ketchup, juice, paste, and sauce. Studies show that tomatoes and tomato products may reduce your risk of heart disease and several cancers. This fruit is also beneficial for skin health, as it may protect against sunburns. Tomatoes are often harvested while still green and immature, then ripen artificially with ethylene gas. This may lead to less flavor development, resulting in bland tomatoes. Tomatoes are generally well tolerated but may cause allergic reactions in people allergic to grass pollen.